Hello teachers, this is Ricardo, and today I bring you an update to our amazing Brisk teaching. Yes, the ability to now have whiteboards in Brisk Boost. Let me show you what I mean. So let's go ahead and share my screen. So here we are, and I'm going to go to my little extension Brisk, and I'm going to click on it. And now that I'm here, I'm going to go to Boost Student Activity. So let's click on it and then create from this document or start from scratch. So this is a personal statement that I created. So I could use that one, but I could also start from scratch. So let's go ahead and start from scratch. So it's going to open all of our amazing Boost student tools in here. But I want you to see that there's a whiteboard. Use the whiteboard to help students engage. So you can click on it. And what you can do is you can basically select a class. So here's my personal statement class because that's what I was using. I'm going to use the whiteboard. I can add rubrics if I wanted to. I can add standards. I can change the language. I can change the grade level. And I'm just going to do whiteboard exploration or whiteboard questions. So here we go. So I want my students to learn about how to write a personal statement. And here is a sample. So we're good. And then I'm going with whiteboard questions. That's what I want. So now Brisk is going to take over. And what I want you to see is that it's going to look at what I said, right? I want to help my students learn how to basically write a personal statement. Questions: draw, describe a real world situation where you needed to solve a problem. Explain your reasoning for the solution. If you had to solve this problem a different way, what would you do differently? Notice that I have the ability to add more questions. I can add guardrails if I wanted to. It kind of talks about it, so I can kind of write that in there. Maybe if the kids ask about anything else, like the Lakers score or whatever, I can say do not respond, and I can for scaffold too. But I'm just going to create the activity now. And the whiteboard is going to actually be created for us. So let's go ahead and share with the students. So I'm just going to copy the link, but I have the ability to share the QR code if I wanted to, right? Or I can share the template with colleagues too. So I'm just going to copy the activity and let's go ahead and continue. So go ahead and say student account. Do you want to join personal statement created by Ricardo Rosino? So they're going to say yes or no. So students are going to join, obviously. And when they come in here, what I want you to see is that they're going to come in here and it says, welcome to the whiteboard activity. Use the arrows to navigate it and to actually answer questions. So let's go ahead and go next. So play with the whiteboard. So they have the ability to write if they wanted to. They can highlight, they can erase, they can type. And as they type, so let's go ahead and go in here. What I want you to see is that the teacher is going to actually be able to see that from the student's point of view as they are typing. So if I go to view progress, I want you to see that as a teacher, I'm going to see transformation and I can see exactly what they're working and what the progress is. So again, it's going to give me insights, right, with AI. And this is Whiteboard brand new on Brisk. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye-bye.